Is sponsoring your MSP on directories like Clutch worth it? I get asked from MSPs often whether to get a paid listing on Clutch. Now, listing your MSP on Clutch or other directories for free as part of your strategy to push the rankings on your website does make sense all the time. So the question becomes, what about getting a paid listing? Because often on these directories like Clutch, these paid sponsored listings is what they push. So there's a simple test that you can do. Go to Google and search for IT support your city or managed IT services your city. So for example here, this is a search for IT support Chicago, and these are the top listings. You don't see Clutch. This is a search for IT support Dallas, and in the top listings, again, you don't see Clutch. This is a search for IT support Philadelphia, the same thing. Now, Clutch here is at number 4. Here in the search for IT support Phoenix, Clutch is at the top. So in a situation like this, where the Clutch directory appears right at the top for your city for these searches, then it does make sense to get a paid listing in Clutch in addition to getting your own website ranked at the top. So hope that makes sense in terms of criteria that you can use to whether to get a sponsored listing. Let me know if you have any questions.